Today we are on the PMU conference and championship Wulop in Turkey, and I will show for you everything what's going on this beautiful event.
I didn't apply numbing cream on the lips. First, I fixed the sketch on the lips, and just after that, I am applying secondary numbing gel. On this picture, you can see the lips after the procedure and healed result. And this is my model after the procedure. When I am working with the flat needle, I have beautiful results. As you can see, I got gradient on the eyebrows, and with light, medium zone and dark zone. When we are providing the procedure of reconstruction of areola, we attract attention of our clients. We monetize another permanent makeup procedures. To camouflage the scars sometimes is more difficult than to work with areola. I like machines of PMU company. I tried all permanent makeup machines, and I very like to work with Flux as machine. It seems like it's very big, but on my opinion, the machine has to be not light and it will be work easier. You don't need to push on the machine, and the implantation of the pigment is faster and you don't feel that machine is very heavy. I like 3mm strokes machines, and it's very convenient to have wireless machine. It gives us freedom to work with the clients. We can work in different positions, and it's very convenient for the master. I wanted to learn hair strokes with Vertex Magnum needle, and it's easier to work with the lips with 3RL needle as well. And it's very convenient for the client because it's very fast. On third pass, I am working with 3RL needle by Vertex company, and I fill in the color in different directions. I like to work with hair stroke technique with a Magnum needle. It was my dream. I work with the Magnum needle on the main hair strokes. The picture in the social media are very important. I take pictures with iPhone 14 with exposure minus 0.7 and portrait zoom 2. I am using these programs to edit the pictures: Lightroom, Snapseed, Airbrush, Persona, Mate 2 and Facetune. You can use the ring lamp with 45 degrees and you will see the pictures without shadow on the face. Just change the angle and everything will be perfect. And you don't need to buy expensive equipment.
Non-stop speaker ceremony.
Okay, I need you to sit to control.
Я в этом году летала судить вот этот полуфинал мира Казахстана. И вот эта девочка, собственно, на Львове, да? Да.
Natalia, which machine do you use?
Polar Air. Of course.
Which machine do you use? I'm using Scion S with 3.2 mm strokes.
За брови 3,2. What? А я уже все. Спрашивай. Вот Прибалтика powder brows first. Very nice brows. I saw this model.
Which machine do you use, beautiful? Which machine do you use?
Scion.
Антонина,
Which
какую
machine
машинку
do you
вы
use?
используете?
I'm using Scion Mini, pink color.
Розовая.
У меня, как видите, предпочтение. Я очень люблю этот цвет, мне кажется, наверное, все знают.
Спасибо.
На клиента оставляют где-то час 30. Вот, но и за 20 минут залетает.
Не работаешь?
Тройка? Тройка любишь, да. Нет, могу, но мне эта пятерка больше нравится.
Their techniques and moments. You can make videos, take photos, ask questions. So interesting and very useful. Оксана, which machine do you use?
It's my favorite tattoo machine, Scion. This tattoo machine is bad what I find in PMU stage. This is my, I always recommend actually for my students use just this machine.
You took all three colors?
Yes, but mostly this one,
The three.
then a drop and a drop.
Okay.
Sandra, which machine do you use?
I use Beller, Go2, and Atomix.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Valeria, which machine do you use?
Emma.
Тема. Учиться.
Tatiana, which machine do you use?
Flux Mini.
Вроде сошла. Ну, кожа активная.
Если вы будете просто гладить кожу, вы ее не накрасите. Это очень важный момент.
Девушка очень соскучится
Микс софт-беш и клубник.
Hello. Which machine do you use?
Microview, Velar.
Thank you. Which machine do you use?
This is the Zion Mini. The Zion Mini.
Everybody is winning, but we are looking only for the best of the best. So just we will give cups, but everybody is the winner here. So congratulations to everyone, and I appreciate that you all come here, you support us, and thank you so much, and enjoy.
I would like to tell thank you so much for joining our event, who support us many years. You are all winners. You are champions. Thank you so much.